Can you describe your knowledge of Jewish culture or Judaism while growing up?
It was zero. I mean, next to zero, except in one sense that both of my parents had a sense of injustice, and they made a point of taking stands against any anti-Semitism. Both my parents did. And those things would come into the family. For instance, when we were in California, I remember they were looking for a house, and the real estate agent said, "We don't want any Jews here." And that was a big subject of conversation with my parents. And growing up, that was something that was transmitted to me, that you didn't deny your Judaism, you didn't accept anti-Semitism, you didn't accept prejudice, and you tried not to reflect those attitudes towards other people as well. Until I started getting involved in Jewish music, and I married a woman who comes from a Jewish family, I think I had very conflicted feelings about my own Jewish identity, that little things like I wanted straight hair when I was a kid, and my hair was curly. My mother was even worse. Her hair, she was always an obsession with her, and I think she was always ill at ease with her hair, and this, for some reason, became a symbol of her Jewish identity. And it's ridiculous because there are a lot of people who are Jewish that have straight hair too, but it just happened to be one of those things. And I remember, being sensitive anytime I would hear the word Jew, wondering if it was said, how it was said, and being sensitive whether, it was directed against me.